Anthropic just surpassed OpenAI, and this is actually the biggest war that is happening right now. We could already see that in April and start of March, Anthropic has increased by more than 34.4% compared to OpenAI, which is 32.3%. So both of these models and both of these companies are trying to get at least 1 billion monthly active users or weekly active users, because only when they have 1 billion monthly active users, they can go to $1 trillion valuation. And that's the battle that is happening. Contrary to all the beliefs which are out there that OpenAI, ChatGPT is the most famous platform out there, Anthropic has actually beaten it. We see this also already together from this documentation by RAMP, which significantly mentions that Anthropic beats OpenAI, and this is exactly how it is going. OpenAI had a lead for a very long time, but right now you could see that Anthropic has completely surpassed it, and you see a lot of battle happening. We also see XAI, DeepSeek, Google, and they have very small share of market when it comes to the whole of US. Even though the Chinese models, DeepSeek, they're super cheap and they have started becoming really good, but still they're very, very much at the bottom. On top of that, we have got XAI, which has got the most amount of GPUs out there compared to all these companies, but we can still see that they are still really bad. Also, in all my tests that we were running, we could see the XAI is not performing at all. Grok is not performing, and they're trying to limit so much. Even when I'm trying to generate images, it's so hard to generate them because they're just limiting so many things, which is not at all any fun which is out there. But right now, because this whole battle is happening, we could already see that OpenAI really wants to get back to 1 billion monthly active users. They've started giving 2 months free to all enterprise users. So this was mentioned by Sam Altman that they're giving 2 months completely free. This is excellent. I even applied for it, even though I'm not an enterprise company, but you should still apply for all of these. I applied for them, and we are giving companies that are 2 months of free Codex. This is going to be really big. So that shows you that there's a bit of a panic which is happening. But on the other side, we also see that Anthropic has come back, and you can see from this tweet that they are increasing limits 50% higher through July 13th. So till July 13th, they're increasing these weekly limits. So it's a good time for all of us, but I have to be honest, every day I'm almost vibe coding 8 hours. And from my experience right now, today, talking about 17th of May, Claude code is not performing as good as Codex. Codex, somehow I have a feeling it gets the job done really faster. Claude is just really slow and it keeps on executing for a very long time. And that is today. Tomorrow could be significantly different. You never know, because these guys are also changing a lot of things secretly at the back end. On top of that, my Claude keeps on running a bit faster than Codex. I could already show you, I've got multiple Claude accounts I've got, and look at this, out of extra usage, this is something that I'm getting right now. So this is right now, you could already see. If I want to get, where do I see it? Yeah, I see it here. So I've just ran out so fast, and then it resets in 3 hours. So this is what I'm going through all the time. And this is one of my accounts. If I go to another account, this is also going to be reset. So I've got two accounts with Claude and I've got two with Codex. And with Codex, the fun part is, so let me open Codex. I'm showing exactly, if you join my live streams, you're going to see there how fast they're running out. And here I can show you, yeah. So here, how much is left? Let me see. Right now, they stopped showing a usage remaining. Okay. So weekly, 73% I've already used, and 5 hours I've used 30%. I've got two Codex accounts, two Claude accounts. So that's what I'm doing. That's how I'm developing all the time. I'm just jumping between all of these accounts. All of them cost 2020. So I'm paying at the end of the day 80 euros, but that's working good. I've thought about even getting another Codex account rather than Claude. And also I'm running it with open code. So where I'm running Quen 3.6. So we are using 5 to 6 different accounts with all the models out there. So we extensively testing it out. Check out my streams, because you're gonna see in depth how everything is happening. And for us as users, the best part is that this free sample phase time is excellent, because we can code as much as we want. till the end of this year, coding is going to become, I'd say, completely free. You could already see it that DeepSeek V4 Flash model is really cheap. It's super cheap. And you can also get access, free access to it if you check out my other videos, how to get daily 5-hour free access of DeepSeek 4 Flash model in case you don't want to pay for any of those models. And it works good. In my test, it's not working as good as Codex and Claude, but it gets the job done because a lot of times you're not doing something as complicated. So that's the thing. So for you right now, exactly what to do exactly what I've been doing. Use both of them and then build profitable businesses and experiment a lot. I'm right now building so much software for my internal teams to just automate the processes that I have. Content creation, I'm building a whole tool specifically even for content creation so that I could go out and make a lot of content. So I'm super pumped up for this. And yeah, I hope you like this. If you want courses on vibe coding, you can check out my community Vibe Club Pro, where we've already gotten 409 members, and we've got a lot of classes where we are teaching you exactly how to build with any of these models. Every day we test all of these AI models 12 hours a day. You can check it in my streams, and our goal is that we become that we give the best vibe coding education in the world. If you're not already doing it, I feel like we're already there. So that's the plan. I hope you like it, and see you later because we are going to be making more content today.